how to flip any 3D animations in iClone to make it become a mirror animations. At the beginning, both of them dance towards the right hand sides, and now I'm going to just flip any one of it to just dance to another way. How to flip any iClone motion file. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the step by step. My name is Freedom. In this channel, all about the 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. If you are interested on all of these skills and tutorials, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, and sharings, you receive a notification immediately. The first step, you have to open your CC4, the character created for, and then load your CC4 Camula. This is the first step. You must make sure load the CC4 Camula, and then next just delete all of the CC clone on Camula, and also the shoes. Next, you have to make sure the motions that you want to convert is already become an iClone motion file. And as example, I'm going to just take it from the existing motion file. Just for example, any of this, the air dance, for example, I'm going to use the air dance as an example. I right click, just find the file. It already located at here in the folder. So the next step, just stand by it to open in this way. Later we are going to copy the locations. I assume you already have your RL motions or iMotion file. It's already at there. Next, just click File, Export, FBX, Cloth Character. Then turn on the setting. The target 2 presets, you have to choose Blender. Then the FBX options, you have to choose Mesh and Motions. Then click the Custom. Make sure first frame ready in bipose. This one you must select it. This is very important, first frame in bipose. At the same time, use the T-pose as bipose. This one is compulsory. Use T-pose as bipose. Then you can see your iClone motion file, your RL motions or iMotions is already at there. Copy this location, Ctrl C to copy. Then at here, just click Open File, paste it here, Ctrl V, and press Enter. It is going to lead you into the folder. You can see the air dance is at there. Just double click. For each time, just choose once. For example, I want to convert the air dance to become its flip animation, the mirror animation. I choose this, double click it, the first frame in bipose. Next, can export it, click OK, and as demo, I'm going to just create a new folder, name this as air dance. I choose desktop, export it inside the air dance folder. I'm going to name this as air dance FBX file. I click save. It is going to export. After a few seconds, it is going to export it as FBX file. Now, next, just open the Blender. For today, the latest version is Blender 4.2. In Blender 4.2, we are going to import the FBX. Just click the empty area and press A to select all and press delete button to delete everything first. Next, click File, Import FBX from the desktop, add-ons, the add-ons FBX. Just double click it. It is going to import the whole FBX file. Now, you can see it is already imported. Next, you try to play. You can see the original add-ons is toward the left hand side. So for this one, you have to make sure it's selected the whole animations until here. You try to play. It is going to play toward the right hand side. This is the original animations. So we are going to flip it. To flip it, you have to click the armature. Click the empty area first and select this bone. Then make sure you click the object properties. Then click this. You flip it in that way. You can see it is going to scale the X. If you press Ctrl Z to undo, it is going to flip back. So you can just direct add a negative in front of the scale X. Just put a minus or negative and press enter. Now you can see the whole body is flipped together. You try to play. It is going to animate in another directions. See? It flipped in another directions. Alright, so now we can export as FBX. Now, click File, Export FBX on the same folder and the desktop add-ons. Here, just create a new folder. Name this as Flip. Then just export as FBX. Add-ons, flip. Then export the FBX. Alright. Now, you already have the FBX versions of the flip animations. At this moment, you can just clear your CC4. Just click to just create a new project, just don't save it. Alright, so now we need another tool, that is iClone 3DXchange 7. Because if I directly import into CC4 in that way, the add-ons flip, create a character, click apply, then it is going to import the whole FBX. At this moment, you are going to plot all the skeletons. But now the problem is, if you directly import the FBX to make sure you have the motions, click Convert All, it is going to have a bug. It won't show the animation correctly. You try to play. You can see it don't show the animation correctly. But if you use the old software, the iClone 3DXchange 7, it is going to show everything correctly. Now, I'm going to just import it. The add-ons flip FBX is at here. Just drag and drop into the iClone 3DXchange 7. If you not yet get the iClone 3DXchange 7, you still have the chance to get it from the Revolution official sites. I already put the link in my video description. You can get the 3DXchange 7. You still have the chance to get it. Alright, so now I import it. Make sure import the animations. I'm going to show you now in iClone 3DXchange 7, it still can import the flip animation properly. For this auto conversions, just choose no. Now we just want to check the animations. It is over here. Try to play it. you can see the flip animations can show properly. So we are going to use the iClone 3DXchange 7 to convert the animations. So first step, just drag it down and choose convert to non-standard. And at this moment, we are going to plot everything, map the bone properly. You really need to make sure the bones are mapped properly, included the finger. Now I'm going to map the finger. At here, you have no choice, you have to map it one by one. Just click it. Because we also want to retarget the fingers in the flip animations. But this is just a one-time job. I just plot it in this way. Sorry, this is a mistake. You have to make sure you plot properly. If like this, then this is wrong. You have to replot again. And the hand, done. And also all the fingers. So it almost finished to plot all the fingers, to map all the fingers on all the skeletons. Next, this bone should be at the center. This one. Here, you have to make sure, just plot it. Alright. Now, left the leg and also the foot. Then click Active. Then click Convert. Click OK. Now, you need to just find the perform editor at here, the add-ons. These ones have to name this properly. For now, you can see some bugs at here, but this one, it doesn't matter. Later, save as RL motions, it is going to fix everything automatically. So just click here, rename it properly as add-ons, flip. Next, just click export. Then the geometry file name, you can just name this as Camula, flip convert. Or you can just ignore the export geometry. It doesn't need it. No need this one. You just need to export the animations as add-ons flip, export the RL motions. In other locations, just copy this location and click here, Ctrl A, delete, Ctrl V to paste it, click OK. It is going to just export as RL motions, as a flip motions. And actually everything already done. Next, just go to the iClones. At here, we just need to call out any iClone avatar. It can be anybody. For example, the CC4 Camula. Then you import these RL motions, drag and drop, apply it. Now, if you try to play, you can see this is exactly the flip version of the add-ons, but we need to just cut the T-pose. You can just click here and you drag it to the frame 60. Alright, the first 60 frames is the T-pose. You can just click, drag it to 60 frame and click a break button. Where's the break button? You have to find it here. Alright, you can see the 60 frame. Move your mouse cursor down, right click. Alright, you are unable to right click here, so you may just expand the motion layer. Actually, it is here. Once you already expand it, just now it's without expand. Now you already expand it, click at the 60 frame, and the break button is at here. Click, then it is going to cut it, and the add-ons is started from here. This ones you can delete it. We just want this one. Just right click it, and you can save the motions. Where is the save one? You can find it here to save the motion clip. And as demo, I'm going to just save it on my desktop and go to the folder. Just name this as add-ons flip. Name this as add-ons flip final. The final versions. Click OK. Now you can see it already exported as the add-ons flip final. This is the final that we want. We just try. We close this. And now we apply two avatar. The first one is the Camula, and another one is CC4 Kelvins. Then we try to apply the original add-ons, and we are going to compare the original add-ons. It is under the perform. The add-ons is at here. Apply it on CC4 Camula. And the flip versions add-ons flip final we apply on Kelvins. So now we try to play. You can see it already flipped the whole motions. It is really amazing. Now it already flipped. Alright, now to make it easy, this is the center point. I make this Camula, just move it to here 1 meter. This one, -100. And look at the center point, both of them will just dance in a different way. This is the mirror flip. Alright, now we already successfully flipped the add-ons animations as the add-ons flip final. And that's all for today about my tutorials on how to flip any iClone motion files to become its mirror flip, its mirror animation. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!